What makes a drone strong enough to survive extreme conditions while remaining incredibly lightweight? The answer lies in a material stronger than steel, carbon fiber. Every professional racing and cinematic drone begins as a simple sheet of carbon fiber. This is the engineering journey from raw material to flight. The laser cutting process allows for unparalleled accuracy, ensuring every layer of the carbon fiber frame meets the stringent requirements for the high-performance drone. Precision is paramount in aerospace. Every layer of carbon fiber is meticulously inspected, ensuring structural integrity for the rigors of flight. The arm geometry looks good, but the center plate needs reinforcement around the battery strap slots.
Yes, I've adjusted the thickness. That should handle the stress.
The vibration isolation zones here are crucial for stability. Yeah.
How does that affect the overall weight optimization?
We've accounted for it. The center of gravity looks good.
We should secure this section first. The vibration resistance is key here.
Right, I'll use the titanium screws now.
The drag coefficient is still too high at this angle.
Let's adjust the leading edge geometry and rerun the simulation.
Розпоцна припітна вода страдує. Тиріці декстама і відсаврачили степ вапня цвіт в отрузняmu та ентрін земдреснін вайць адемєм кицем'ядані є трасва.
तो हमें देखिए दोस्त रेसिप को अधिकेट कर देंगे।
We connect the MPU 6050's SDA to Arduino A4, and SCL goes to A5. Power is synced to 5.